In this video I've hooked up the complete system with the Fu28, which you hear running on the background, the LKZG, and this part of the autopilot. It's currently set at north. We're going to assume that the beam is pointing north, and this is the Fu28 instrument which points whether we are flying left or right of the curve. Once I switched the equipment on, it will basically try to fly an S-curve onto the beam. So I start on one side of the beam flying north. This instrument will indicate that we're way off the beam. This will start running to one side. That will curve the aircraft towards the beam, and slowly you will see that it is reducing the angle to the beam while we are approaching it. So I'm now going to switch the Fu28 on and the tone generator. You'll hear the tone in the background. You will be able to see the signal here on the oscilloscope, and then the multimeter here actually indicates the voltage that the signal generator uses. If that is actually zero, that is what the tone generator sees as the middle of the beam. So here we go. So we're wide off the beam here, and we're now turning towards the beam. To a maximum angle just short of 60 degrees. You can see the signal is already getting more equal, meaning that we are getting closer to the beam, and which is also visible on the beam indicator. The autopilot is now already reducing the angle to the beam, slowly turning back to north. As the angle reduces, so the rate of approach to the beam will slow down, so it will try to make a very soft landing exactly on the beam. We are now actually approaching the middle of the beam, and you can see there's still a bit of an angle, so we're actually going to fly slightly across the beam. We are now flying exactly north again, so we're flying parallel to the beam, slightly to the right of it. With another slight adjustment, the LKZG is bringing us right on the middle of the beam again. This game will continue. The LKZG will spot every little difference, make a small adjustment, and keeps the aircraft basically right on the middle of the beam. Independent of wind drift or external influences, it will position the aircraft exactly on the middle of the beam.